In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up shipping in Godaddy. To begin, log into your Godaddy account and head to your My Products page. This is where you can access the tools connected to your account, including your website and online store settings. Once you are there, scroll down until you see the Websites plus Marketing section. Next to your online store, click Manage. This will open the dashboard for the site where you want to set up your shipping options. After that, look to the menu on the left side of the screen. Find the Commerce or Store section and expand it if needed, then select Settings. Inside the Settings area, click Shipping. This is where you will control how shipping appears to customers during checkout. Now you can choose the shipping method that works best for your business. You will see options such as free shipping, flat rate, weight-based, and carrier calculated. Click Add next to the method you want to use. The right choice depends on how you want to charge customers. For example, free shipping can help simplify checkout, while flat rate gives you a fixed charge. Weight-based shipping is useful if your products vary in size or heaviness, and carrier-calculated shipping can automatically adjust rates based on shipping details. Once you select a method, enter a clear title in the field labeled "What customers see when selecting this method." Make sure this title is simple and easy to understand, because this is the label your customers will see at checkout. A clear name helps avoid confusion and makes the buying process smoother. Next, go to the Ship to these countries or regions section and click Edit. From there, choose the geographic areas where this shipping method should apply. This is an important setting because it determines where customers can use that specific shipping option. Take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct countries or regions for your store. When everything looks right, click Save. That will apply your shipping method and store your changes. If you plan to offer more than one shipping option, you can repeat the same process for each method you want to add. Keeping your shipping settings organized and clearly labeled can make checkout easier for customers and help reduce issues after an order is placed. That covers everything you need to know.